HMS Queen Elizabeth, one of the largest and most powerful ships ever built for the Royal Navy, is on exercise, operating under NATO command for the very first time. The Royal Navy's flagship left Portsmouth Naval Base last week to take part in Exercise Neptune Strike, which involved a mock game of cat and mouse with a Norwegian submarine playing the aggressor in the North Sea. Under the command and control of NATO's naval and striking support forces, warships from 21 nations are deployed on the Neptune Strike, which the alliance described as an enhanced vigilance activity. Putting the UK contingent under NATO control creates a potent task group that is able to operate across a vast area, from the length and breadth of the Mediterranean and north to the Baltic Sea. Three aircraft carriers are now under NATO's command, with HMS Queen Elizabeth deployed to the North Sea, and the Italian Navy's Cavour, and the Spanish Navy's Juan Carlos in the Mediterranean. According to the Royal Navy, this knitting together of cutting-edge forces means they are ready to shield every inch of the alliance's airspace, waterways, and territory. Exercise the Neptune Strike. The exercise intends to demonstrate that the warships remain as strong and relevant as ever and are capable of meeting the defensive commitments of the alliance. The Norwegian submarine HMS Utstein was tasked with trying to sink HMS Queen Elizabeth, while the job of a sub-hunting Merlin helicopter from 820 Naval Air Squadron was to prevent the simulated attack. The Neptune Strike also tested other aircrew skills and tactical decision-making, which saw Royal Air Force P-8 Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft join the hunt for the Norwegian Ula-class boat. Later in the training, the Merlin carried out a rare fin transfer, skillfully hovering over the Utstein while she was on the surface and moving supplies and personnel to and from the aircraft and boat. The training helped refresh Merlin's crew in the art of evacuating casualties from a submarine on patrol. HMS Queen Elizabeth briefly returned to her home port last week, having spent time deployed in northern European waters with her NATO and Joint Expeditionary Force allies. Unusually, the £3 billion vessel returned with her embarked F-35Bs on her flight deck, and the state-of-the-art jets remained there as she set sail from Portsmouth following her logistics stop and short period of maintenance. The carrier and her aircraft have been taking part in a range of exercises and training off the Norwegian coast since September.